Brewing perfection, how to clean a coffee maker like a pro. Life hack, maintaining brewers. For those in a rush who prefer brewing at home over buying a daily to-go cup, maintaining a clean coffee machine is essential for optimal performance, following the manufacturer's manual and practical tips. Life hack, automated drip coffee machine. For daily upkeep, discard coffee grounds, wash removable parts in warm soapy water, and wipe off splatters every 3 months or more for hard water. Decale using a solution or vinegar, soak parts, and clean the machine's surface for optimal performance. Life hack, single-serve coffee machine. Daily, clean any splatters with a damp paper towel and empty the capsule container every 3 to 6 months. Decale using a store-bought solution, wash removable parts, and wipe the machine's surface for optimal maintenance. Life hack, press pot. Daily maintenance involves discarding coffee grounds, washing the carafe and plunger components with warm soapy water, using a soft brush to clean the plunger and filter, and reassembling the plunger for optimal use. Life hack, Chemex coffee maker. For daily upkeep, discard the filter and coffee grounds, wash the carafe with a soft bristle bottle brush and warm soapy water, and optionally remove the wooden handle for dishwasher cleaning or soak in a solution for tougher stains. Life hack, individual pour-over coffee maker. For daily maintenance, discard the filter and coffee grounds, wash the dripper and removable parts with warm soapy water, and for stubborn stains, soak overnight, with the option of top-rack dishwasher cleaning for some drippers. Life hack, coffee maker for stovetops is daily. Clean the coffee maker by discarding grounds, disassembling and hand washing with hot, soapy water, then reassemble, as needed. Tackle tougher stains with a commercial cleaner, scrub, and follow the same drying and reassembling process. Life hack, device for making cold brew coffee. Daily coffee machine maintenance includes discarding coffee grounds, disassembling, cleaning components with warm soapy water, and storing filters properly, while some glass carafes may be dishwasher safe according to the manufacturer's manual. Which hack did you like? If you know any good hacks, please share it in the comments.